my friend Alexander Marcinkiewicz built. We are in the same research team, so this is our creation, but I will be present this talk. I will change subject and came to Poland and speak something about the evolution of the educational system in Poland after 1989. Please forgive me my English, and if something will be difficult to understand, just ask. Why I want to start this presentation since 1989? Because that was the time when the political system was transformed in Poland. This transformation was since 1989 till 1991, and after that we started live in the most democratic state. But the first document which has a very strong influence for the education system in Poland was created in 1982. That was the teacher's chart, and this document is still in Poland. This is a bill where the teachers' rights are put into one official state document. The transformation of educational systems started in September 1991, and that was the moment when that was created the Act of the Education System. This chart presents the education system structure of the education system in Poland in this first time of a democratic state. So we had compulsory education, which is this is brown color. The compulsory education was first preschool preparation, that was 1 year, and start in 6 years. These numbers on the left side, this is a year of school student, of child after the student, and this education starts in 6th year of child, when child has 6 years. After that, we have 8 classes primary school, but it was shared for 2 parts. First, classes 1 to 3 was preschool preparation, and after that, classes 4 to 8 was school subject. After that, everyone should choose some school, and that was 3 types of school which may be chosen. First, some general secondary school. And that school was preparation to study. And after, instead of this general secondary school, could be chosen technical school, which ended both maturity and the vocational exam. And for another option was vocational school, which end only vocational exam. After that, if someone wants to go, for example, for a student may choose supplementary secondary school or supplementary technical school. In Polish, we have during this period we had and we still have about 300 of occupation which needs special documents. So these vocational schools and technical school was very important because, for example, if someone wants to be electrician, the vocational school isn't enough. This person should finish the technical school of this higher level. So this supplementary technical school was very important. democratic countries. First, that was providing free education until the level which makes it possible to enter to the labor market. Before 1989, everyone in Poland has had possibility to work, and everyone has place in some factory where that wasn't any problem with job, with finding a job. When we became a democratic state, labor market became a very important factor in creating education, because this education should be suited to the labor market. Second, I was the opportunity to attend the same school by children from diverse social groups. Before 1989, that was points. Maybe not every, but some students get special points, which was connected, for example, for their parents, for their political way of thinking. For example, if someone was communist, someone parents was communist, the child gets additional points to education. And for example, children of members of the Communist Party has a better start to studies architecture. There wasn't any connection between political way of thinking and architecture, but that was additional points. And in democratic countries, everyone should have the same start points. So it became necessary to change the educational system in that way that everyone in every social group has the same start in education and after education in labor market. And common teaching standards for all students, regardless of their social background. This is connected with previous. Also, in this year, the government started thinking about children with special needs, because before that, that was the social group which wasn't important in education system. That was very cruel, but since this 1991, the Education Act first time creates special schools for children with special needs. And we should know that this Polish education after 1989 has some problems. First, plurality of programs and curricula as a part of existing curriculum basis. This pluralism, there was some dual problems. First, we have official program which should be teacher in schools. For example, official history, official Polish language, some official canon of literature which may be in school discussed. But for example, in the small villages, that still was schools when children in different age go to the same class. That became necessary to create a school where really this curriculum are official, and it is possible to compare, for example, the materials which was learned in one classes, for example, in some village and in a big city. Of course, they start thinking about the autonomy of schools, start reforms of the decentralized management system, because we have a very huge administrative reform. Voivodeship became in Poland. Some organization plurality, external exams, because before this transformation, every exam was inside the school, and that was this additional points for special coincidences. Popularization of secondary secondary school level education, because in Poland that was a very huge person who's finished only primary school. And correlating vocational education with the requirements of the labor market. Okay. Development of education aimed for students with special educational needs, as I mentioned before. Competitive recruitment, which was connected with degrees, with competence of students. Popularization of teaching of the teaching of Western European languages, because before 1991 we learned only Russian language, and after political transformation, English language came to the school, and we changed the educational system. In 1999, we shared the primary school for two schools. That was 6 years primary school, and classes 1 to 3 was integrated education. In this classes, with every subject, there is no subject. There is a general education, general preparation to education in the later classes. And classes 4 to 6 was this school subjects. After that, everyone should finish middle school. And after this middle school, which is called in Poland gymnasium, may choose some different type of secondary school. That was some strange type, technical school, because the first part of this reform after this reform, the technical school was delayed, and instead of them, that was a profile secondary school. But that wasn't a good idea. So after a few years, we came back to the technical schools. And after this changes, this reform of curriculum, giving the external reform exams. This external exams was very important, because in this new type of education system, there was double evaluation: internal evaluation inside of school, and external evaluation, which was the same for every student in every school in Poland. And this external evaluation was very important, because the grades which students get during these exams was changes for some points, and that was conditioned to get to another stage of education. For example, if someone has better notes on this exam, may choose a better middle school. So that was some differentiation of schools, middle schools, and this secondary schools. Of course, the result of this exam are analyzed and came back to this international, to this internal evaluation, and that was some points to teachers what they should improve in their way of teaching. And during this time, the most important subject in this discussion was marketplace school or bureaucratic school, because in pedagogy, among pedagogists, this market-based school is strongly discussed, and this is something which educational commission, which members are pedagogists, is very recommended. But in the Polish law system, still is a bureaucratic school, where bureaucratic school, which is centralized management by the Minister of Education. And there is a presentation of this should manage its knowledge, teacher should create didactic situation, and creative searching should dominate it, discourse is particular importance, and development of all students is the most important. That was the point which was presented as an effect of this debate pedagogies in Poland. But first stage of another reform was changing the age when children start education. In every type of previous school, the education started in the age of 6. But this preparation, better preparation to labor market education, started with lowering this school age, and the children in the age 5 start preschool preparation, and in the age 6 start primary school. And that should be first stage of reform, prepare school education in Poland to the labor market. And something happened. We have a change of political option last year, and during 1 year we came back to the system which was in 1991. That was quite interesting to prepare this presentation, because I prepared my abstract, sent it in March to this conference, and this reform came from September 16. So that was 2 weeks ago, when our government changed the education system, and after some reforms which should prepare the school system to the labor market, we came back to the idea of education which was present in 1991. Of course, very interesting subject is financial consequences of this reform, the curriculum of the school, but there is very wide subject. We don't know what will be after middle school. We don't know if there will be any middle school. We only know that at the age of education is 6 for prepared preschool preparation, and primary school starts in the age of 7 and will take 8 years. After that, we don't know what the government will propose us, but this is very interesting, and I think that a lot of Polish people are scared because of this reform, because this is back into the 1991. This chart presents all these changes, and this is my presentation. Thank you very much.
Any question?
Is this changing of system of education result only the political decision, or based on critical overview of middle school or something?
When government created middle school, that was some critique of this solution, because it's mean changing the group, social group in the different age. Children change the school to when they was 30. Some social group told that this is not good for children, because this is criminogenic. We may observe more crimes behaviors in this school. But after this first stage of this discussion, we get used to this school, and that was a very good result in PISA test, for example. Polish educational system improved during this, after this reform. So now Polish society are very surprised of this changing and back into this primary school. Even there is some social organization, Rescue Gymnasium. This is the call of this organization. So some criticism was, but I think that this is mostly political changes. It's connected with this political party in Poland. This is a strong right side of political scene, and